In a Odadaa mi manche mamimba. Ingani awola woboshe woboshe.
Good morning, friends from the media, and thank you very much for joining us here at the forecourt of the Gamanches Palace at the Ga Traditional Council. This mid-morning, we're gathered here to give to you a wonderful piece of news. Ga Traditional Council, specifically at the forecourt of the Gamanches Palace. This morning, we've gathered here to look ahead to a big day, and that is Sunday, June 9, 2024. The King of the Ashanti Kingdom is paying a historic visit to the Ga State. Before we go to the main item, which will be the main address, I'd like to introduce to all of us chiefs who are gracing the occasion and are coming to oversee what we're doing here. On my right is Ni Kwao Donko, who is the Asre Jonshimanche. Asre, yeah, the senior divisional chief of Asre. Sorry. Yes. And also on my left is the industrial chief of the Ga traditional area, Ni Abose Okay, the third. Now, addressing us this morning will be Ni Boy Abe, who is a senior member of the planning committee for this historic visit. I'd like us to welcome him now. Thank you.
Good morning, our friends of the media fraternity. This morning I'm about to convey a news brief to you. We do not have the full compliments of the house here because today is the lifting on the ban on drumming and noise making in the Ga State, which we call Odadaa. So feverish preparations are underway to get that sorted out. But we needed to get this information out also to the media. The office of the Gamanche, Niitaki Telku through the second, and the Ga Traditional Council wishes to announce the special visit of the Asantehene Otumfuo Osetutu the second to the Ga State on Sunday, the 9th of June 2024. The visit will be crowned with a special Durbar hosted by King Takite Kuchuru II Gamanche. It is a historic visit and it will rekindle the strong ties of friendship between the Ga Ashantis. It also follows the Gamanche's active participation in the Asantehene's recent celebration of his 25th anniversary on the throne. The Ga and the Ashanti people have had extensive interactions which have led to exchange of cultural practices, traditions, and ideas. Interestingly, the interactions between the Gas and the Ashantis over the centuries have culminated in common themes in the areas of governance, inclusiveness, and specific cultural practices including family structure, traditional dances, structure of the calendar year, taboos, defense mechanism, and historical interactions with other tribes. These similarities highlight the strong ties between the Ashantis and the Gans, which are rooted in our shared African heritage. The derby of the two gallant brothers will also be used to promote peace of the presidential and parliamentary elections in December this year. The office of the Gamanche therefore invites all to witness this great moment in the Ghanaian traditional history at the forecourt of the Gamanche's Palace Incarnation, Accra, on Sunday, the 9th of June 2024. Thank you very much for coming in this NC press briefing.
Respectfully, I would like to welcome Ni Kwabdonko to wrap everything up in Ghana for our networks that broadcast their content in Ghana.
Ojogba media kemofemo neba kweshia bi achomi Ni Kwabdonko the second, member of the Judicial Committee, Ghana Traditional Council. Benonji Division, Senior Divisional Chief, Asan and Asan Chonomache. When a lele peni wabak peni, eji kenkren neji afe kwe kodam ni abafe egan. Otumfo ose tutu niji enyo. Eke na ne woga popa ano ni eba cha siumo ni amegbeleo niji isene gamanche te akwesida ke afi nyomo enyo ke numo celebration e wo len ke chono no esuma ke ebagan koni kame anale wo Odadaa Hɔgbaa ke wo Odadaa no ba eba ke agbena aba fe deba agbo fefo ye gan e ba chine wa fe ba na ke lele Asantehene kame yo keje blema emi e wapo fe blema bona je sisi e wo won mo ni mo fe mo ke mi se ke de twa no mi e wogbele drumming and dancing na wo mi se ke de twa akpe Asantehene na popa ne twa.
Exactly, yes. So Ni will do a summary in tree as well for us. Thank you.
Enano pe yeda mwase se mwabeka yensa ewo ha. Na dienti a etu nsa frɛ mu no nega ye kintakite kuturo toso no. Anya hokoso bia eno ntino ye frɛ mu mama ayi mu asotrese ebe baso kwesi de ya ebe na ene wohwa ya info ne bebre ekokrum efise ewose omokoye ene traditional lifting of ban and drumming no a friend Odadaa no na etwa se ye ne insentrefo edisa inkita ho ne se otumfuo ose tutu otoso mienu Asantehene tuni nine aba incline na nije bibiri se ye be shiano no odo na ejumedi a ebe baso kwesiada anopa no ndu ba akono ya ade a ye pese obia edi neni ebehwe efise ye nyonkufa ye niama yo efa nkranfo na Asantefo ntemu no ye pese ye danedi enche bia no hu se nkran ne etu ne nan ekọ akwesidae no ene otumfo ekọ boa na eye bibia mane ye fefefe enti sa odo a ewo muntem no otumfo epese otu ne nan eso eba nkran abontin so enti ye tunsa afre adofo nyina se nyame pa kwasiada nondu baako no ye be hie mu wo ha na ye agina wa atu na adwumadi a ɛwɔ no ya tumi adanedi na amansan nyina ehu na ade a ye di odo ebo odom na nkran na Asantehene ye nyonkofa no emu ayedi yeda mo ase.
Odadaa mi manche mamimba. Ingani awola wo bo she won bo she.